I think there's a political coup going on right now in the Republican Party that people aren't paying attention to.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I think that this Epstein thing is going to be a way for traditional conservatives to take their party back.
The president responded saying in part, quote, he's, meaning Charlamagne the God, a low IQ individual, has no idea what words are coming out of his mouth and knows nothing about me or what I have done.
President Trump, do you realize the best way to get the headlines you want is to simply do a good job? Is to simply do right by all Americans? He called me a racist. I didn't mention race not one time on Laura Trump.
Charlamagne the God, his biggest message to Trump was like, focus on the issues you campaigned on. Of course, what's interesting is, Trump, this is on his radar because this happened on a Fox News program with his daughter-in-law, Laura Trump. So it was certainly a setting that was going to particularly peeve Trump.